go out to us. Last but not least, we must not forget to charge your pipes and cigarettes. Enjoy the show.
Bow, up, turn.
Oh, what a great movie! Yes, I loved it. It had lots of action. So interesting. All about the spread. This beautiful sunrise.
We have.
We have to thank Amma for taking us to the cinema. It really was a lot of fun. Yes, it was. Kung Fu Panda. What is an ad? An ad is an advertisement. Nanny showing a picture and telling us something special. So that means there's going to be a fair? Oh, yes. Wow, when we going to a fair? Yes, there is going to be a fair. For sure, animals will come from everywhere. I love fairs. There is good food, games, rides, music, etc., etc., etc.
There's
Going to be a fair in town. There'll be battles and houses round. Go below there, fair. What's the industry fair? He was a donkey from Hawaii. Rooster, rooster from Hawaii. A big elephant and a zebra. Daughter, brother, got you.
from Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, turn.